Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to make a tutorial on a beautiful hairstick. This is a saw and crystal stone and pearl hairstick, and it is my own design. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and please like and share this video. First, I use a wire to tie the middle place on the blend hairstick. If you watch my previous videos, you will know how I do that. I always use the hot gun to stabilize the metal place on the blend hairstick first, and then I tie it out. The wire goes to the front and back like that until you feel it is secure and stable, and then I twist the two wires together and then I cut off them, and then I use the plier to hide the tail. No matter how you hide it, as long as it won't hurt the fingers and even scratch the hair, is okay. When you tie the middle place on the blend hairstick, don't make it too ugly and make it little bit neater. And now I begin to decorate my hairstick. I choose to use the circle green cells on the top. First, I use a hot glue gun to stabilize the cell on the top, and then I use a wire to tie it on the golden middle place. It is the same technique that I use on the middle place in the hairstick. As you can see, the wire goes from the back to the front to the back for the multiple times to tie the cells on the middle place to secure it and to stable it. After that, I finish with it. I twist the two wires together, and then I cut off the extra wires and I hide the tail. To make this kind of hairstick, it's just like you playing with the wire and the middle plate and different kind of material of the hair accessory. It is very easy when you place it for many times, but sometimes the wire could hurt your finger a little bit, but it doesn't matter to me. By the way, I have to say, I have put some hair accessory material on my Esty Shop, and you could buy it and design your own hair accessory. I always put my Esty Shop links below in the description box. If you like this Chinese hair accessory, Chinese hair stick, just go and buy it and just do it. Don't afraid of you don't know how to do it, because when you do it, you will learn how to use it. This is the grass purple beads. It goes through the metal place flower, and then I put it on the below a little bit of the circle cells. If you watch my other hair accessory tutorials, you will know what I am doing, so I don't explain it again. This is the same technique again. If you watch, you will understand what I am doing. After that, I began decorating with a crystal stone. This is like a crystal rock, but it is very shiny and very beautiful. It's pink color. At first, I was thinking, what should I do with it? But now, I think it is very good to decorate the hairstick also. So this is my first time. The second time I use the crystal stone to decorate my hairstick. And this crystal stone is come from a lot of different shades. It's not the same shades. It's a very different shades. If you know your designs, you can use any different things to make your hair stitch, and you can make it very beautifully. And I choose to use these different materials and connect them together, and it also come out a very beautiful hairstyle, isn't it? And again, for the crystal stones, I use the same techniques. Yes, for the hairstyle, I think all the techniques are almost similar, almost same. But I don't know if you think it is same or not, because I think it is almost all the same, because I always use the wire to tie it up. For this crystal rod, you can see me use the wires to tie it up. Like the middle place has many holes in it, so I use the wire to tie the crystals up, and the wire go to the back and then go to the front in another hole, and then insert the crystals, and then it go back from the front, and then go back to the I think I almost become like a starter. I cannot clearly explain what I am doing. So you just watch and you will understand what I am doing, okay? When I doing the pink pearls and the white pearls, I realized that my cell phone is run out of electricity and it turned off. And I think you know how I do that, right? I feel I am a little bit crazy now. So at last, I use a hot glue gun to stick another flower and pearls on the back. And that's it, and bye bye.